Hey, I'm Dave with Old School Soulmates, and we're going to ship some unusual things today. I've got Cam Newton's yearbook from Auburn University. We sold this for like $99, so keep your eye out for those. And also over here, I've got a sprinkler that we actually bought for Amazon, but turns out it didn't sell, so we brought it back and we're selling it now on eBay. Okay, so first of all, for Cam Newton, the box we're going to use is a Priority Mail, like a game box, I guess you could call this. It's 12 by 3 by 15. So anyway, they have self-adhesive things. You can get these for free at USPS.com. They have self-adhesive things. So we'll go ahead and make this box up. It just goes where the tape goes, so it's pretty easy. Come off, but that's okay. Take that off too. And just push that down really good. If you want to tape it, you can, but it usually sticks pretty good. So good luck getting that off. Alright, so the book itself, we were actually going to send this media mail, but I believe I'm going to weigh it right now to see. Weigh it with the box. Units, right? Always make sure you check your units on your scale. Ooh, that's actually more than what we thought it was. We might not do this then. This was actually sold media mail, so you can't use this box for media mail. But let's just go over here real quick to the computer and see what it's going to cost to send that. Yeah, we were going to upgrade this, but it may be actually too expensive to do that. So let's just see. Okay, looks like we sold something else while I've been here too. Okay, cool. Sold some Dr. Comforts. So let's see here. All right, Auburn. Let's go to the shipping. What I'm doing here is I'm going to go to the shipping on eBay, like I'm getting ready to ship it, and you put in your weight. And that thing is closer to 7 pounds than 6. I don't know why it's so heavy. I'm going to double check that. But let's just see what that would be if it's 7. And, okay. Not too bad. 12 by, let's see, that was 15 by 3. 16. Yeah, 12 by 3 by 15. Okay, so that's good enough. All right, so it looks like, okay, priority mail is only going to be $8.14 to send it. So I'm going to, since they spent $100 on this book, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade it and put it in at 7 pounds. Let's see, that's before I put any bubble wrap on it or anything. Just double check it one more time here. That's 6 pounds. That's just barely over 6 pounds. So if it's over 6 pounds even by an ounce, you have to go to 7. So that's good. That'll give us some room for packing and all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I've got some bubble wrap over here. I just have a roll of it. So you can see here, big old roll of bubble wrap. We keep on a rack over here. And I'm just going to take some of that and start wrapping this book up a little bit so keep it protected some. Like I say, they spent $100 on this. And it's going to cost us an extra $3 to ship it, but that's okay. Again, they'll get it quicker. They'll probably be happier, hopefully. And when they're happy, they give us a good review, and life is good. So we'll see. I'm going to go around this one more time. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And I could put a little piece of tape there. I'm not, because it makes it hard to unpack. Another little piece of bubble wrap here. We'll just wrap this on up a little bit here to make sure it stays. It's already in a plastic bag too. The book, we already had bagged it. So we'll put a little piece of tape on there. With our eBay tape. Just to hold it in place. That should be fine. Okay. So let's see how it fits in here. So little bit loose in there, but so I don't like putting stuff super loose in there, so I'm gonna throw an air bubble or two in there just to give it some fillage. And again, we spent $100 on this, so we can afford to use some of our air bubbles that we get for free. And I think you can see in there, it's still kind of loose, so I could just use, I've got scraps. I always save this stuff. Scrap bubble wrap from different packages we get. What we're trying to do here, we're just trying to keep it from flopping around inside the box. Not trying to, it's pretty protected in the bubble wrap, but I just want to make sure. Okay, there we go. So that's, give it a shake. That's pretty good. That's not going anywhere. Let's weigh it one more time just for fun before we seal it up for good. Yep, 6.5 pounds. Okay, well, a little more than we estimated, but we'll go ahead and do it. There's that. All right, seems pretty good. All right, so I'll go here and so that's how you ship that one. I will go over here, put in 7 pounds, put in priority mail. Yeah, it's gonna cost us. It's literally going to cost us, it's cost $6 to go media mail. Media mail is books, recorded CDs. There's certain things that can go media mail, certain things that can't. The advantage is it's really cheap. So if you got something heavy like a book, you can ship it for a little bit cheaper than you could normally. The bad part about that is that it actually, it takes forever for it to get there. So even though people sign up for that and understand that, they still sometimes slam you. So we'll just go ahead and upgrade them and our treat. And okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. Print my label and we'll get that going. I've got my handy dandy ZP450 CTP over here to print with. Makes it nice. You can just use thermal labels. You don't need ink, like I said. We'll just take that, and it's a simple way. Usually there's a place for the mailing on here, so like right there. So we'll go ahead and throw this on there, and there we go. And we'll make sure that's ready to go. Now the next thing we're going to ship is.
So when we went to actually put this box in the computer, it turned out that the dimensions made it really big. And shipping is done by weight and total girth, which is weight, height, length, and width. So it's a formula that you can do, but nonetheless, the computer will tell you how much it costs. So by cutting the box down, we can save a lot of money. So that's what we did here. So we went through all that and unpacked it and tried to pack it again. So here we go.
Alright, so let's cut the box down. Let's go for this side. I'm not an expert at this, so you can laugh at me later. Let's see if I fold that part up, make the top, and fold those around. See if that'll work. Just take off some of that. I'm sure people are like cringing right now. Oh, do it the other way. We're gonna try this. All right. I'm gonna bring this up. Oops. Got one cut here. Yeah, if it's saving $2, that's one thing, but $40, you can go for that. You can do. Alright, got rid of that piece. Extra weight. Alright, bring that up. Doesn't look too bad. Need to cut this out and that out. I think that will make it where I can fold this in. We'll deal with the excess up there later. It don't have to be pretty. It has to work. flap over here, so kind of let myself flapping in the breeze here, so I'm gonna have to do that, I guess. There we go. How about that? That might actually work. It's so crazy it might work. Put a little piece of tape on here just to hold it together for a minute. Bring those over. Look at there. It's like downtown. Okay, you've probably seen us ship shoes a few times, but in case you're new here, we ship a few shoes because it's basically we shipped a few shoes because that's basically what we specialize in. So I don't know. We keep our shoes in totes and plastic bags indoors, climate controlled in our office here. And these, you always want to look to see what you set them up for. These could go either way. They might go padded flat right. I wouldn't really probably recommend it because they got heels on them and they're kind of stand up a little bit. But this ruler's just being a pain there. So let's see what we got here. Okay, we charged. Let's see what we charged. What method we charged for? You know, we charged $8.70, so that's a regular box. So let's. What we're going to do is we're going to get a shoe box. And again, you can order these online from USPS.com. They will send you a pack of them. And this up here. And alright, so that one's ready to go. What we'll do is we'll go ahead. I usually just put them heel to toe like that. Take a piece of wrapping paper. You get this at U-Haul or Walmart, anywhere really. Some of this kind of packing paper. Wrap it up like a burrito, or a shoe burrito, and put it in here. And tie it back up again. This is what we do. That keeps it protected in case it gets wet in transit. It probably won't hurt the shoe, but there's nothing worse than opening up something that's soggy. So. And in this one, generally what you can do is just take another piece of paper. The paper doesn't weigh that much, so lightly, just crumple it lightly, just drop it in there, so like that. Not stuffed in there. I'm gonna let this drop in and compress it. And then I'm gonna lightly put this in here, just like that. Okay? And then we'll just close that up, tape that up, and we're good to go. Tape's not cooperating today, but get it packed. Nonetheless, okay. This tape's just not one to stick. Maybe it's humid or something. I don't know. Anyway. Alright, so let's do that. Weigh these puppies. I'm guessing like maybe 2 pounds. Yep, 1 pound, 13 ounces, so that's 2 pounds. And on this one, unlike the other one, we overweighed it, so we had 3, we'll change it to 2, update that. And yeah, $7.41 to ship that to Georgia, which is not very far from us. Okay, I'm going to purchase that label. And I'm purchasing my label on eBay. Get a discount being top rated seller, you get a discount for having a store. There's all kinds of different things that give you a discount, but mostly top rated seller gives you a little discount on the postage. So, and I will print that. And there we go. All right, and again, there's always a place on these for the postage. So where this will go. I just hold it out. These sticky, if you do deal with it, I just hold them out like this. Put them where I want them. Boom. Like that. Works every time. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching this. I appreciate you. I had some trouble with the last one, but that's good because I want you to see real life what stuff can happen, and maybe it'll help somebody out there. And if it does, leave us a comment. If you can subscribe, that'd be great. Leave us a comment.